Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to publish my Invideo videos. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in studio.invideo.io, log in using your user credentials and you will be on your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will have to first of all start working on the project. So you can click on create new, navigate to editor and choose a dimension, add videos to it and start working on your project. What you can also do is click on the recent project and this will instantly open that project in the editing section. And in this section, you can add videos, images, music, text and finish working on the video. After you're done, in order to publish that video, we will have to first of all export that video. Now, in order to export it, simply click on the upgrade to export button and choose quality. For example, if I want to export it in 1080, I will select 1080 and click on upgrade to export. Now what I'll have to do is choose a plan for this video. You can choose a business plan that is $15 per month or an unlimited plan that is $30 per month. Choose a plan, click on that plan, enter your card credentials, click on pay that amount and you'll be successfully able to upgrade your plan and export that video in just one click, that is the upgrade button at the top. So that is the only and simple way to upgrade a video from Invideo and publish it to another platform. After upgrading it, you'll be able to export it. After exporting, you will see that video in the downloads folder. So navigate to downloads folder on your PC and your video will appear just right here. Now, what you can do is go to YouTube, go to any other platforms, click on the upload button and publish that video instantly. And that's the only and simple way to publish your video from Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.